Hey everyone, TechLife here, back with just a quick video showing you how to sideload Android apps. And this should be slightly different from device to device, but should be about the same. With that being said, let's get right into it. So first you just want to open Settings, scroll down to Security, and then Install Unknown Apps. Remember, by doing this, you're allowing the installation of apps from outside the Google Play Store, and that means that the security and trustworthiness of the apps is not regulated, so watch out for that. That being said, you should either toggle the option on or choose the app that you'd like to install the app through. This could be a browser that you would be opening the APK files straight from after downloading, or a file manager, and selecting allow. So I will go into Chrome and allow from this source. Now you need to find the app that you want to install. I won't recommend any websites for safety's sake, but I've used APK Mirror in the past without any problems. So I'm just going to go and get Opera browser because it has, as you can see here, it says don't have Google Play, download the app here. Okay, and it will say that this type of file can harm your device, and you just press OK. Alright, after you've downloaded the APK file, make sure it's compatible with your Android version, open it and click on Install. There we go. You have sideloaded an app. Let me know if you have any issues with this, and if it did help you out, then it would be great if you could like the video and subscribe so you don't miss future content like this. With that being said, thanks for watching and see you next time. Goodbye.